You have declared a jihad against the United States. Can you tell us?
The Pakistani Taliban gave him rare access to one of their remote training camps close to Afghanistan.
Would come to
and
America,
you think, and you believe in virgins in heaven, don't you?
The corruption, it would.
The Muslim world, we're using 2 or 3 examples to justify a generalization. That's actually the definition of bigotry.
All right, fair.
Than a billion people who aren't
Muslims
fanatical, who don't punch women, who just want to go to the store.
Okay, wait a second. Wait a second.
Wait a second. Any of the things that you're saying all Muslims.
Wait a second.
She said to you directly because you would use it as a weapon.
Yes, I was just very, very disturbed by that. So I
wearing a headscarf, and I got stopped. She opened my passport and saw Lindsay Lohan and started immediately apologizing, but then said, "Please, but take off your headscarf."
Really?
Abuse, do you know what I mean? But it actually makes me laugh, and in a strange way, it makes me proud. I can't really explain why, but if somebody hates me because I'm a Muslim, I kind of stand up a bit taller, actually.
People say that I don't belong in fencing because I'm black, or I don't belong in fencing because I'm Muslim, and I struggled with that as a kid.
Yeah.
Just last week, I was walking with my teammate. The man told me that I look suspicious, and he started asking me if I was going to blow something up.
Islam hates us. There's something there that there's a tremendous hatred there.
49 people are known to have died.
Dozens more are being treated in hospital for gunshot wounds. Witnesses say at least one gunman opened fire on worshippers at the mosques as they were gathering for Friday prayers.
Terrorism charges against a 20-year-old man over what they say was a premeditated attack in the city of London, Ontario. 4 members of the same Muslim family were hit by a car and killed.